Namaskar, this is Vaishali Gadgir from Shashwat Organics, and I'm really happy to record the fourth episode of Organic Sutra. I thought today is a good time to speak about why we should support small and marginal farmers, which also includes the tribal farmers, and what motivates us to work with them. So, we worked with some statistics, and here are some statistics to present to you. There are 78% of small and marginal farmers, which also includes the tribal farmers within India. These 78% farmers own 33% of agricultural land. That means the remaining 67% of agricultural land is owned by either businesses, institutions, or big farmers. The 78% farmers, small farmers, who own 33% of agricultural land, produce 41% of agricultural produce. So the remaining 51% of the produce is grown by the big institutions, businesses, and the farmers. And if we compare the productivity of the small and the marginal farmers is clearly higher than the productivity of the big farms. A very important point for us to note, and a very important reason for us to support these farmers, because majority of the agricultural produce is coming from them. Also, these small and marginal and the tribal farmers are spread across the country in interiors of the interior villages, and their livelihood depends on the income from the farming. If we do not buy from the small and the marginal farmers, we are taking away their source of livelihood and income, and that can result into other plethora of issues like there will be unemployment, the rate of crime will increase, because these people due to lack of employment in their native places have to move or migrate to the nearest city to take up the menial jobs. So we are losing out on the agricultural knowledge and the skill, and also there is a migration and the migration related problems that a country can face. The local economy suffers, and the happiness and the whole structure of the society gets disturbed. The second important point is these people, since they have very small land holding and also in interiors of the country, are very less likely to use the chemicals and the fertilizers and pesticides, and more likely to have the desi traditional indigenous varieties of the seed and use it for the farming. That directly translates into the nutrition aspect, the food quality aspect, which which we as consumers can benefit from. The last point that I would like to really emphasize upon, that the small farmers, the tribal farmers are really tuned to the nature environment, and most of the farming is done using manual methods, because these are small land holdings, no sophisticated machines, tractors, tools are used. Most of the farm work is done and the processing is also done manually, and so it is really good for the environment. They also make sure that they grow multiple varieties, because they also have to support their own family. They do the mixed farming, they also grow trees, they also have the farm animals, and the whole ecosystem is very close to the sustainable farming. So here are multiple reasons that we should be supporting a small and a marginal farmer and buy the produce from them.